Hi everybody, my name is Caroline. For the midterm project, I decided to do a photo called The Babe Bows Out. It's a picture of Babe Ruth standing before Yankee Stadium during the silver anniversary, the 25th anniversary of Yankee Stadium. Nat Fiend, who was a worker at the New York Tribune at the time, took this picture. And you can kind of see here, but a lot of the photographers were sat across the first baseline, but Fiend decided that there was something bigger that he could capture, so he came and sat behind Babe Ruth and ended up taking what would have been one of the most iconic sports pictures ever to this day. Some things that are unknown from this picture: Babe Ruth was battling terminal illness at this point. He had been out of baseball for over a decade. He also retired his number at this game, so that's really fun. Some other work by Nat Fiend. This picture, there you can see a lot of the same picture that he took over and over, very iconic. There's Babe Ruth's retired number. Nobody will ever wear that number in baseball again. There's another picture of Babe Ruth from that same day, retiring his number, celebrating, taking his last goodbye to the fans in Yankee Stadium.